Hello everyone, this is Subhash Koti, MSc Physics from NIT Agartala. I am going to calculating what is drift velocity, and before going to calculating the drift velocity, first we know what is drift velocity. We'll see. Drift velocity is the velocity with which three electrons inside that conductor drifted towards the positive terminal of battery or cell connected inside the electrical circuit. When we observe a conductor, there are many number of free electrons inside that conductor, but due to before connecting them in that conductor in a electrical circuit, that free electrons are moving in a random velocity, and the average of that random velocity will be 0. We can take an example. If there are many people in a room and there are some bomb alarm will be alerted them, then people should search their way through which they can come from that room. Like that, when we apply electric field in that conductor to that conductor, that free electrons will drift towards the positive terminal of the battery, and we can calculate that drift velocity. Now we can calculate drift velocity. We know normally we know inside a conductor there are many number of free electrons. In case of copper, there are 10 to the power 29 number of free electrons. We can calculate the drift velocity for a conductor. It is that conductor which is connected let us consider this one is the conductor. This is the circuit, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal of the negative terminal, this is the positive terminal. Now the circuit is closed. This is the direction of current. This is the direction of free electron. This is the direction of current. This is the direction of current, and this is the direction of free electrons. Free electrons is moving. This is the direction of current, and this is also direction of current. Now average velocity of that free electrons. We can take average velocity U. U average, let us U1 will be the average random velocity of first free particle, free electron. U2 will be the second, like that. UN will be the random velocity of nth particle, and there are I already said that the average velocity will be 0. That is when we applied the after applying electric field, they will move with a new velocity. That velocity will be v, and we know the equation of kinetics that final velocity will be the initial velocity plus acceleration into time. Like that, we can v2 will be the will be u2 plus a tau 2. This is the time interval between two successful collision between two free electrons. Like that, Vn will be un plus a tau n. Complete. Now we can calculate that average velocity. This is the average velocity of all the free electron after applying the electric field. That average velocity is the drift velocity. Drift velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 up to vn by 10. Now this is equal to un u2 a tau 1 u2 a tau 2 a 3 up to un a tau n. Now we can eliminate u1 u2 up to un by n, and listen, here acceleration will be constant, and then we can take common a acceleration, then tau 1 tau 2 up to tau n by n. As we know, average velocity, initial average velocity of all the free electrons will be 0. Then this part will be 0, and here tau 1, tau 2, tau up to tau n will be tau. Then we got this value again. And now and we know F is equal to ma, that A is equal to F by m. Here force is the force due to electrical field on the free electron. So this force will be minus E is the electrical field, it is minus for the negative charge, and M will be the mass of electron. Then we can put this value here, and that will be drift velocity becomes E by L into tau. And again we know electric field is equal to negative of voltage by length of that conductor. Now drift velocity will become, we'll put minus E by L into tau, and we'll got drift velocity is equal to P by ml tau. This is our drift velocity of free electron inside a conductor after we applying the electrical field. Here V is the potential in between two terminal, and is the charge of free electrons. M is the mass of the free electron. Length L is the length of that conductor, and T is the average time interval between two successful collisions happen after applying the electrical field. For the value, I think all of you understand the derivation and definition of drift velocity. Thank you.